Jerry Feeney, how mature is the mobile network industry?
My area of interest is SDN NFV, and this is maturing very rapidly. This has actually moved out of the lab and the trial phase, and we're actually announcing commercial deployments now at this time. We had our first commercial deployment of the virtualized EPC in December last year.
What specific solutions has NEC developed?
As well as the virtualized EPC, which is a solution that the industry is calling for to serve the number of LTE deployments ongoing at the moment, we've also launched a very similar product, a derivative of the virtual EPC. It's the MVNO gateway. This is an ideal solution, a virtualized solution to support MVNO enablers and aggregators. And indeed, we're actually trialing this at the moment. We've announced a trial with Cricket Communications, an MVNO in the US, which is a property of AT&T.
And what about the virtualized CPE market?
Customer premises equipment is an area of great interest to operators. It's a great cost space at the moment, and operators are looking to minimize the amount of hardware and functionality in the customer premise. So we're working with Telefonica to do this. We're doing a trial in Brazil, and we will have a generally available product during Q3 this year.
What are carriers looking for from their vendor partners?
I'd say two main things. They're looking for openness. So in that respect, what we're doing is we're looking to base as much of our development as possible on open source, for example, using OpenStack in our orchestration solution, and also open interfaces, open protocols. So we're using OpenFlow in our SDN solutions, our SDN controller and switch range, and also we're pushing hard for an open northbound interface to the SDN controller, which brings me to my next point, and that is that what operators are also looking for is the ability to access the innovation of independent software vendors, maybe even startups, without compromising the integrity of the network. This will enable them to access new revenue streams without at all affecting their carrier-grade service level assurance, which is critical to the carriers.
So what's next for NEC?
What we'll be doing next in the NFV area is we'll be working to meet carriers' needs for a multi-service, multi-vendor platform with more virtualized network functions running on our platform, and indeed VNFs or virtualized network functions from other vendors as well on our platform. And what we'll also be launching is SDN for wide area transport networks. So this will be based on converged IP and optical solutions, which will be OpenFlow and PCE enabled, to enable carriers to have a router-light infrastructure, perhaps interconnecting data centers over a wide area with full automation.